Rotating pillar tap head. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a rotating pillar tap head of a wash basin. Notice that the pillar tap is leaking because we are unable to close the tap. The head of the pillar tap, instead of closing when turned clockwise, is continuously rotating. The cause is likely to be a faulty spindle inside the pillar tap. Let's gather the tools and materials required for this repair. You'll require a hacksaw blade, screwdriver, adjustable pliers, double end spanner, pipe wrench, and a new spindle. At the outset, close the angle valve to stop the water supply to the pillar tap. Now, open the cover of the head of the pillar tap with the help of a hacksaw blade and a screwdriver. Remove the blue plastic washer. This will reveal a screw underneath the cover. Now, unscrew this screw, which is situated on the top of the head of the pillar tap, and remove the head. Remove the spindle with the help of a double end spanner. During this operation, hold the pillar tap with a pipe wrench so that it remains steady. Make sure you keep a rag in between the pillar tap and the pipe wrench to avoid causing any damage to the pillar tap. Replace the old spindle with a new one. Now, before you place the new spindle inside the pillar tap body, make sure that the spindle is in the opening position. Only then will you be able to fix it in the pillar tap body. Also, make sure that the O-ring is in place, else it will leak again. Now, place the spindle inside the pillar tap body and tighten it with a double end spanner. During this operation, hold the tap body with a pipe wrench. As done earlier, make sure you protect the tap body by placing a rag between the pipe wrench and the pillar tap. Now, place the head of the pillar tap on the tap body. Turn in the screw and tighten it with a screwdriver. Place the blue plastic washer and the cover on top of the head and tighten it.